Okay, so we're going to rework so this part right here, we are going to press down and remove. This is the part number inside here. This is the auxiliary jack. So what we're going to do is we're going to press these two tabs from the bottom. At this portion, there's two clips at the very top. One of them fell out, so I had to replace it and put it back in, so it was cropped out of the picture, but a piece may fall out, so that's why I had to readjust and put those back in. So I started off with the top and realigned it to be able to connect.
So he's convicted under this federal